Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix error code 0x800f0908 while installing language packs on Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Network and Internet. Now open your network connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now here click on Properties. Here you will see the option Metered Connection. So make it off, just in case it's turned on, so you have to select off position. Now close it, and second method you can try. Open Settings, then here troubleshoot other troubleshooters and run on Windows Update, and follow the instruction which you see in this display. And once this is done, restart your system. So this is the setting, guys. You can fix and resolve error code 0x800f0908 while installing language packs on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and comment this method worked for you or not.